after the president got sworn in a matter of 3 weeks, by a fluctuation of time, there would have been no subsidy anyway. And so he seized the moment, and that's exactly what a leader does. He seized the moment, and so you wouldn't have had 3 weeks to plan for palliatives. The palliatives are not things you just roll out at the drop of a hat. Palliatives are things that are planned and things that take time. And even what he's about to do now, it's not overnight. They're normally, midterm, small to midterm measures. And so that is to say that there was no way and no how anyone could have planned and roll out the kind of palliatives we are rolling out now in a matter of 2 weeks.
We have a president, a listening president, an engaging president, a president who will want to have a conversation and react. And he's doing that. He's really, genuinely, honestly doing it. So what we are talking and what the appeal that we are making out to just not the leaders, all Nigerians, please understand what is going on. Please give us that support that is needed and required. We are working. We are trying to change things.
We just adjourned to listen to Mr. President's speech and then to continue our conversation tomorrow by 12 noon. Our peaceful rally will go on as scheduled. Even if we didn't have this problem and we decide to hold a rally, we still hold our rallies. So this rally has been fixed for 2nd, and we'll go ahead.
We've had an engagement where government as well did a presentation of what they think could be an alternative to PMS and also what could be the palliatives. And we felt that because they told us that the president is going to make a broadcast today, and in that broadcast as well, that some of these areas are going to be touched. So we felt it was wise for us to retract and go listen to what the president has to say, and we internalize it, we analyze it, then we now meet tomorrow to further our conversation.